Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in today's additional of Monday, September the 4th, 2023. Already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the Binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number 7039. Oh, come on. 7039. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one is 18. A lot. 18. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get started. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And well, between 2 O's comes in 1. 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 And between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Taxonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.